The journey begins with the harvest. Our state-of-the-art facility utilizes hydraulic
The flow rate is consistent. Confirmed, we are cleared for the next phase.
The automated system precisely measures the bricks and acidity, ensuring consistent flavor across every batch. The float sink test confirms the optical data. Density is optimal.
Perfect, we can release the batch for pressing.
The cranberries enter the blanching tunnel, crucial for maximizing juice extraction yield and stabilizing color.
Mash distribution confirmed across all cells.
Activating process A, we have flow.
The compressed cranberry solids, consisting of skins, pulp, and seeds, are mechanically ejected onto a
This crucial step involves enzyme treatment and gentle agitation, breaking down cloud-causing carbohydrates.
The difference in transparency is striking, highlighting the success of the clarification process. This confirms
Inside the vacuum evaporator, the juice rapidly boils at a low temperature. As the steam is drawn off, the liquid thickens.
As the machine applies immense force to the seeds, a thin, pale, golden stream of virgin cranberry seed
The refined cranberry seed oil is held in these climate-controlled tanks, awaiting bottling. We use it
By utilizing every component of the cranberry, we transform what was once a byproduct into this premium, sustainable seed oil.
We have the cranberry seed oil delivery. If you could just sign here to confirm receipt.
Perfect, thank you.
The visual purity confirms the success of the multi-stage filtration and refining process, highlighting the superior quality and stability.
I've always struggled with sensitive skin, but this cranberry seed oil has been a game changer. It's so light and soothing.
Sourced from the byproduct of our juice concentrate, the cold-pressed seed oil proudly displays its certifications, showcasing our commitment to efficiency.
This isn't just any oil. Our cold-pressed cranberry seed oil is rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids, making
Stacked pallets of dried cranberry seed oil are staged for delivery.
Here is your cranberry seed oil. Thank you for visiting our facility.
Thank you, I'm excited to try it.
Our dried cranberry seed oil absorbs effortlessly, delivering moisturizing benefits with a non-greasy finish and a subtle, healthy glow.
The clear, pale golden dried cranberry seed oil is used as an ingredient in making homemade soap or lotion. The purity of this cold-pressed cranberry seed oil, straight from the C-10 facility, is absolutely unmatched for supporting healthy skin.
Here is your cranberry seed oil and your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Cranberry seed oil, the successful culmination of innovation, transforming a byproduct into a premium golden standard.